Hi there, my name is Alicia Cowen from Arlington, Virginia, and I am at the Burn Vision Weekend in Virginia Beach. This weekend has been more than eye-opening. It has been mind-bending and heartbreaking all at once. Realizing that a room full of strangers are now my best friends. That where I thought we had nothing in common, it seems we have been following each other's footsteps across the sand, and only Lord knows who's been carrying us. But we're not alone. We're together, and we're challenging one another to be our best selves and to hold each other accountable for the higher goals and the higher visions of what we see ourselves could be, but also the vision that others are sharing with us from their perspective of what they see our potential to be. And that's more than empowering. It's uplifting, it's validating, it's rejuvenating. So it's been a wonderful weekend. I'm very thankful that I came.